Want a fridge that does more than just keep your food cold? Let's dive into the future of smart refrigeration. First up, Samsung's Family Hub 5.0 exclamation mark. This isn't just a fridge, it's a kitchen command center. With a massive touchscreen, built-in cameras, and voice assistant, you'll never run out of milk again. Next, we have the LG InstaView ThinQ. Knock twice and the door goes transparent so you see inside without opening it. It even tells you when food is expiring. Talk about smart savings, and don't miss the Bosch Series 8. It's got Home Connect so you can control it from your phone. Plus, it has VitaFresh Pro to keep your veggies crisp and your meat juicy. Finally, the GE Profile Smart Fridge. With its autofill water pitcher and hot water dispenser, it's perfect for busy mornings. Plus, it syncs with your smart home devices. So which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.